Previously, I have shown how to make strawberry banana smoothie. In this video, I am going to show how to make tasty lady's finger tomato fry. It takes only 10 minutes to prepare. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more healthy food videos. Required ingredients: okra or lady's finger, tomato, salt, chili powder, coriander leaves, cooking oil, curry leaves, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, and green chili. Fry lady's finger 5 minutes in a boiled oil. Add salt, after 5 minutes, add tomato pieces and fry. After 2 minutes, mix well both lady's finger and tomato pieces. Now add green chili, curry leaves, cumin seeds, turmeric powder. Add chili powder, coriander powder, and coriander leaves. Mix well. After 1 minute, lady's finger tomato fry is ready. In the coming up video, I will show how to make coconut laddu without sugar. Thank you for watching and following.